In 1954, Edmund Hillary attempted to climb Mount Everest, and he failed in his attempt. Now, he did something very few people in the world ever done, and so it was a big deal that he attempted to climb. And so when he came back, a couple weeks later, he was there to address a symposium of 2,000 people. And when he got up on stage, and they all were excited and they're clapping, and he gets up on stage, and the first thing he says, he looks over at a huge picture of Mount Everest, and he says, "Mount Everest, you beat me the first time, but I'm going to beat you the next time. Because you've grown all you're going to grow. But I'm still growing." And 1 year later, he became the first man to climb Mount Everest. Each and every one of you are leaving today committed to your growth. And in all my years of understanding the purpose of how we advance an organization, that those who advance the furthest and the farthest oftentimes are not the most talented, deserving, or competent. They just know how to apply perception and influence better than anyone else. I want you to have the same success they have. I really do. I know how hard you work. I know how much effort you put into your jobs. Be dedicated to your commitment to your growth, more so than the performance you're doing. Your performance is fine. We have no issue with that. I have more issue with is the part of what are you doing to create the right perception in the organization, and what are you doing to create influence in the company, because that's how things get done, and that's the perception you want to create, and that's the impact you can have. You can make great change for your company, but also make great change for yourself and get what you deserve in your organization. So thank you.